Do you have a 2007 to 2012 Altima and the door keeps shutting up on you? Well, if you answer yes, I have a solution for you, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys that the previous model year actually has a sturdier hinge. So if you have the technical means or technical prowess to get this job done, please watch this video in its entirety to see how it gets done.
I got a lot to endure, there ain't no stopping the storm. Homie, the top is it warm, so chill. I think I need my light bulb fixed. That's what lately I ain't been getting hyped on shit. Life's a journey, you gotta find your niche. I'm leaving this tight space because I don't fit, and I'm moving away. My whole life I'ma start from scratch as an artist and trap.
Alright guys, so we're back here at Pull Apart. It seems like I'm always here, but what we're here for today is I need to get this door stopper fixed because it's always closing on me. So I'm gonna see how to get that off on the well, I'm trying to test it out, how to take it off here. This is my first time ever dealing with one of these, so I'm gonna try to see how this works. So I'm gonna go on the inside and we're gonna take care of that. Alright, as you guys saw in that previous clip, we were at Pull Aparts and everything, and we went and grabbed a door stopper. However, I couldn't find a door stopper that was appropriate and in good working condition for this Altima. So what I did was I chanced it. So I got this door stopper from an 06 Altima, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this door panel off, and then I'm going to put this 06 Altima door stopper on this 07 Altima, and they're different generations, so there's no guarantee that this is gonna work. I haven't looked at any forums, none of that, so this is literally a trial and error. My first time doing it, so you guys are really gonna see this, you know, of course after I get done editing and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the old one and this is the one from the other Altima. So as you can see, they're about the same in length, which means I think that they'll work theoretically. So we can see that one's thicker and one has a deeper groove. This one here, no good anymore, so don't need this crap. So we're gonna see if it works. Alright, so now that I have the door panel off and the speaker removed, as you saw, I'm gonna apply some sound deadener because like this door panel rattles and I can see the mirror moving when I'm driving, so maybe this will stop some of those rattles. so I got the speakers and stuff back hooked up and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this back up. Alright, that's that on that door stopper install. As you can see, we finished it. We still got a little of the sound deadener sticking out, but you know, whatever. But let's see how the door closes now. See if it falls on people whenever you try to shut it. See, look at that. It's a much slower close, and so it won't hurt your foot whenever it falls or whatever. So guys, if you have this issue, please install a 06 Altima, because it's sturdier, it's stronger, and it actually holds the door. See, watch. Look at that. See, now the door's a soft close. All you gotta do is just push it up. So perfect. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment telling me guys what you think about this video. Thank you.